jump up in our muddy blind. It's over the standing beans. The rut's in full swing right now, so we'll see what happens. We've got a couple big deer on our hit list we've getting muddy pro cam pictures of, but we've been gone for the past week, so we have no idea what's going on. But we saw a ton of tracks and we were walking into the blind, so we'll see. Cross our fingers. Oh, here comes a doe already out right here. Looking over to the left. Oh yeah, there's a couple more deer coming out of the left too.
That's him?
Yeah, that's him. He's gonna come. He's coming right down the beans at us. He's walking right at us. He's facing us. I gotta wait.
Just take your time.
Ready? Smoked him.
Good shot. You smoked him.
He went in there to the left.
Yeah.
We've only been here not even 10 minutes. We had no clue what was coming in here still because we've been gone for the past week. We came in here on a whim tonight. We had good wind and it's cold, and the wind finally died down, and Pat said the deer are going to be on their feet tonight. We watched him come out from how far. He marched all the way down the beans, and all of a sudden he must have saw a doe or something over here to our left in the woods, and he decided he just wanted to cut in.
I saw him go ahead. Good shooting. That's the 10. We got a lot of pictures of him.
That is him.
Oh
my gosh.
Big mature buck.
It is, and we saw quite a few deer tonight. I mean, like I said, we literally have only been in the blind 10 minutes. Oh, let's go find him. Oh. Holy smokes, look at that buck, huh? Oh, look at him. He's busted a little bit, isn't he? He is a warrior. Look at that big old head on him. This is definitely that big 10. He's got those bladed G2s. Big old Roman nose on him. This is a mature buck. He's been on our hit list now for a couple years here in Minnesota, and this year we wanted to get him on the ground. We wanted to get him out of the herd. He's a beautiful deer. And we honestly didn't know he was busted up. We've been gone the past week and haven't checked trail cameras. We didn't even know if he was still here, what deer were in this area, but we knew the rut is in full swing here in Minnesota. And we knew we had great winds for the muddy blind tonight. So look at that, huh? And I am tagged out. That feels amazing. I chased him during early season archery with my bow, and I thought I might get it done late season archery. As much food that we left standing this year. He's a heck of a buck. Look at the big old body on him and the big neck. And let me tell you, he is in full rut. He is definitely ruddy smelling. We are tagged out in Minnesota. It is outdoor edge time. Our little guy is gonna be super pumped that mommy got a big buck on the ground tonight.